I am B. Radhakrishnan Nair, Chief Fire Officer, Cochin Port Trust, retired. I am a science graduate. I have done Advanced Diploma from National Fire Service College, Nagpur, the only college of its kind in Asia. I have put in 34 years of service in Cochin Port Trust Fire Service as Head of Fire, Safety and Pollution Control. I have presented purpose in national seminars and international seminars. My experience in this field, I would like to share with all of you for your knowledge and information which may help you in your life. Many of these speeches are on fire extinction, fire prevention, safety, personal safety and other dangerous goods transportation. My experience in this field, I would like to share with all of you for your knowledge and information which may help you in your life. Good morning, I am B.R. Nair. Today we are having a speech on subject means of escape. It is, you see, we all of us are in different situations, living in flats, maybe in malls, maybe in hospitals where a lot of people are gathering. In such places, if some accident occurs due to somebody's mistakes, not because of our fault, because of somebody's mistake, we may lose our life or we may meet with a different type of accidents. For example, a hospital building having 24 floors and each floor is having about 100 beds. 100 bed means 100 patients, 100 patients means 100 bystanders, so many hospital staff. Altogether in one floor, the total strength of occupants may come to 200, 250. And when it goes to 20 floors, the number becomes in 1000. And something goes wrong in the building, everybody will be in a busy situation to get out of the building. And what are the facilities available there? You may run towards the lift. Somebody will try to jump through the window and somebody will run through the staircase, may fall down. Those who are coming back will fall upon them. So you may lose your life. You may have so many accidents, etc. In such a situation, what we have to do? What are things we have to look into before entering a building or while occupying a position? So these things are met with in this subject. That is called means of escape. Different ways or different means to get escape from a public place or from a gathering so that your life will always be safe. So the simple definition for this means of escape is a structural means forming an integral part of the building whereby people can escape from fire by their own unaided effort to a place of safety. So the way of escaping to a place of safety without anybody's assistance, that is meant by unaided, that nobody is coming there to help you or nobody is coming to rescue you. You have to get yourself escaped from the place of danger to the place of safety. So that is what is called as means of escape. The definition is once more I will tell. A structural means forming an integral part of the building whereby people can escape from fire or accident with their own unaided effort to a place of safety. So reaching a place of safety without anybody's assistance and the means provided in the building for this is called means of escape or is defined as means of escape. Then the word comes, each phrase in the subject is having its own explanation. Structural means a building, a structure, how it is made, the different element of structures. That means what are element of structures? Element of structures means the beams, the walls, the floor, the staircase, all these are the element of structure by which the building is called building constituted. In walls it comes load bearing walls and partition walls. Beams are also load bearing. When a fire or something happens, the structure will collapse if the load-bearing structures are not having adequate capacity. In such situation, we have to that all the structural means should be capable of resisting fire for certain period. That is what it is explained here. And the structural element as well as element of structure. Element of structures are also there, and all these constitutes the safe part of the building to remain in a dangerous situation for a prolonged time, so that the occupants will get more time to get out of the building. And the element of structures are defined as the concrete, mortar, stone, bricks, etc., by which the structural elements are made out of or manufactured or made. And then comes the other next phase, escape. So you have to get escaped yourself. That means nobody will be there coming to help you. Nobody is bothered about your safety. So you have to come out of the dangerous situation to the safest place with your own effort, and that is called as escape. And coming to where and reaching from the dangerous place, you have to reach up to the place of safety. Normally, out of the building, you have to come definitely to an open space, which is called as the place of safety. Before reaching the place of safety, you may get a place of comparative safety, because in a staircase in the building, from each floor there will be entrance to the staircase. Each floor you can enter the staircase, and staircase normally may be having protected walls on the sides and the slab on the roof, and at the entrance of each floor it may be having self-closing doors, fire resistant self-closing doors. So normally in a fire situation, the staircase of a high-rise building will be protected from smoke and fire. So while reaching the staircase from the floor, you will be having a place of comparative safety. At least you can relax, and from there you can walk out safely to the open space, which is called as a place of ultimate safety. So reaching from the place of occupied space to the place of ultimate safety, and the provisions available in the building are called as means of escape. It can be a door opening outward, a veranda, a corridor, a staircase, steps, and to the open space. Understand? Now, there are different factors affecting means of escape. We will look into what are the factors affecting means of escape. One is construction of the building. How the building is constructed, that is one thing. If the building is constructed out of fully non-combustible material, which may resist fire more time, you will get more time for evacuation, for getting out. And if the building is of class B construction, that means combustible roof and non-combustible pillars, floors, etc., there you will get lesser time. And third type of construction is fully combustible. That means you will get only minimum time. Immediately, with a flash, the total building will collapse and it will catch fire. There you will get only minimum time. In class A construction, you can expect 2.5 minutes for evacuation, and in class B, that partially combustible construction, you will get 2 minutes for evacuation, and in a fully combustible material construction, you will get only 1.5 minutes for evacuation. So whatever be the number of occupants, whether it is 5, whether it is 50, whether it is 500, whether it is 5,000, whatever may be the number of occupants and what may be the type of occupancy available there, you have to get escape from the building within this maximum 2.5 minutes if the building is constructed fully non-combustible material. And if it is fully combustible material, you can expect only 1.5 minutes. So this is why the subject is important. You see, in a shopping mall, there may be a lot of people gathering there. Nobody knows who have come, who are there, who are they. But if something goes wrong, nobody will be knowing that you are hiding somewhere or you are trapped somewhere. So nobody will be coming to escape you, nobody will be coming to rescue you. So it is your own part that you have to get out of the building with your own effort, and that is what is called as means of escape. So the construction of the building is one factor. If building is properly constructed and if the building is fire resistant for 2 hours, 4 hours or half an hour, whatever it may be, you will get minimum 2.5 minutes for getting escaped from the building.